Ajay Sachin. Today uploading a new video on our official YouTube channel. Please Ajay Sachin. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Like, comment, and share our videos. This is for the 10 inches universal Android player. Here you see all manuals, but like mic, reset, honor, main menu, back, volume high, low, and here you see all the application shortcut keys. It's a 8.1 Android version. Here you see YouTube, Chrome, video, hypersonic DVR, Maps, Easy Connect for the mirror link option, and this is for the music function, navigation, radio, apps, Bluetooth, music. Here you see all application like APK installer, Box, Bluetooth, boot, animation, car setting, Chrome, Easy Connect, equalizer, yes, File Explorer, whether 3D, File Explorer, GPS Test Plus, Hypersonic DVR, manuals, maps, music, Play Store for the all application downloading, quick pick, radio, recording, setting, singles control, video, YouTube. If you like, I'm going to play some videos to check the video clarity. Or the video clarity, full HD video support 1080 pixels, and there is no video in that is stereo. I will show you in next video. Friends, if you like the video, please don't forget to like our YouTube channel RJ Sachin. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day. See the video clarity, how's the clarity, full HD video support 1080 pixel, very fine clarity, and the touch panel is also very smooth. 1080 pixel, full HD video support. Friends, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel RJ Sachin. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day. Thank you.